Hey guys, this is my review on Weiman Quartz Stone product.
This is my marble island. As you can see, it's a pretty good size. It's a light color. It's beautiful, but the issue you have with it, as you know, you have to clean this all the time. It's a highly used area. We have the bar stools up here, and so I want to just share with you how I use the product. You simply spray it on, so I'm going to spray it now. All right. It's really easy to use, and after you spray it, I'm going to share with you how nice it looks. A quick wipe down, you can already see the beautiful shine come back to my marble. So it's so dull looking without this product, and it is the best. I mean, look how good that looks. So yeah, I could have used a regular all-purpose cleaner, but if you know, you know. It's ruining your stone, and it's not going to stay shiny for long. It'll look dull. So just take a look at how nice my marble island looks now. It looks absolutely stunning and beautiful. I highly recommend this product.